Hello, beautiful soul family and friends, and welcome to my channel. This is your girl Chelle Donald with Chelle Donald LLC, and today's video is my first Cricut tutorial on how to put permanent vinyl on a wine glass. Alright, the first couple items that you will need for this tutorial will be Cricut transfer tape, a Cricut mat, of course. You will need Cricut design space for your computer, iPad, Android, or whichever device you have. You would need a weeder, scissors, a little presser thing. I forgot what you call it, but I know I'll be pressing it to press my vinyl and stuff down. Vinyl, of course, a glass, and alcohol. And I need my thing on towel to wipe it off. Do I have a little towel in here? I think I have my towel in here. Anyway, I just use a clean sock. That's what I'm gonna use. Anyway, okay, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to your Cricut design space. I know y'all can't see it, but if you do have a Cricut design space, follow along with me. I'm doing it on my computer. So let me see if I can, hold on, see if I can pick the camera up and show you guys. All right, I have a MacBook, so we're gonna zoom in. Cricut design space, there's a little green icon down here. Gotta open it up big. Keep this camera here. All right, then I'm gonna go to new project. Okay, I'm gonna go to text. The text I'm gonna use, system text, fast. Okay, I can't find it. I think it's fast curve. Either way, I know which one I'm gonna do. Cause I had forgot just that freaking quick. Go down. Aphrodite Pro. I'm gonna put Soul Chronicles. And we're gonna print it out on green vinyl, permanent vinyl. The difference between permanent vinyl and iron-on vinyl, iron-on you have to use it with the iron or heat press. Permanent, you're basically, whatever you put it on, whether it's a glass, tumbler, whatever, it's going to be permanently on there. So what I'm going to do, okay, put this below. Yeah, that's how I want it. And I want it centered. What I'm going to do, I'm going to make it smaller than this because I don't want it too big. So I'm going to do probably, yeah, I don't want it entirely too big because what you want to do. Oh, you also want measuring tape in case you want to measure your glass, because I have an iridescent glass from Hobby Lobby that I paid for, that I just got today. Okay, so what you're going to do, okay, I'm going to get that ready. Click make it. And I'm going to click it on here. I think I'm going to mirror it because I'm going to want it to read from right to left. Hit continue. And as I wait for it to connect to my my Cricut machine, I'm going to put you guys down. So let me give you a little bit of insight on why I chose to do this, because I've been getting a lot of requests about how to put vinyl on an actual wine glass. And what you always want to make sure, you want to actually make sure you actually have the material to do so. So you don't want to be one of those people that be like, oh, I want to do this and I can't do it because I don't have it. I don't have the material. So, I always keep that in mind. Okay, I don't know why my Cricut, my doggone. Okay, now we're connected. All right, so what I'm gonna do? Nope, we're not doing cardstock. We're doing vinyl. So I'm gonna put my knob setting on my Cricut Explorer machine. I'm gonna put it on custom. Excuse me. And I'm gonna browse through all material on here. Excuse my husband in the background. I don't know why he is carrying on like that. Okay, vinyl. I'm gonna go to vinyl. I'm gonna put. I'm just gonna click vinyl. Okay, so yeah, we're just gonna click vinyl. And then we're gonna put the shiny side down. That's why I'm gonna measure it and cut it. How much is in? I'm only doing 1 cup, y'all, so bear with me because I'm cutting my vinyl out. I'm gonna put it on this mat. This paper is in the way. Okay, now I'm gonna go take it over here to my machine. I don't think you guys can see me, so give me a second. Take it to my machine, make sure it's on down over there. And then we're going to print. I mean, we're going to cut. My bad, I don't know why I said print. We're going to cut because this is a cut. We're cutting on vinyl. So as we wait for that, I'll get you a little bit closer so y'all can see. This time, do it down. All right. While we wait on that, if you like the content that I'm making, hit that subscribe button below. Make that bell ring for the next notification when I post my next video. And, you know, leave me comments or anything on any further questions that you have. Also, this will be my last video for this week. Next week, I will be dropping my first sewing tutorial for the month. And I will also probably be dropping... after I drop my shirt dress tutorial video, I'm probably going to drop my pattern haul, and then I'm going to go ahead and drop this lingerie tutorial that I wanted to do to make my own sports bra and panties. As I'm waiting on this over here, with this transfer tape to the side. Speaking of which, where is my measuring tape? I always want to have measuring tape on hand because I always have mine on hand. Waiting on that. It's gonna be, yep, 3 by 3. All right. Okay, well, it's time for the moment of truth. Yep, and that was right. Beautiful. While I'm weeding it with this weeder. I'll put that to the side. I'm sorry that my space is junky. It's not intentional, y'all. Don't beat me up. Okay, I'm gonna weed this little pieces off here. The excess that we do not need. Stuck to my finger. I have long nails. Okay. Please forgive me, y'all, for my husband being in the background. He's in the next room, and you can barely hear him in here. So, it's not going to stop me from doing what I'm doing. Take this and cut that extra off because we don't need it. It's not that we're doing. Okay. And so what I'm going to do, I'm going to measure it up to the transfer thing that I need for this. All right. I'm gonna remove the liner with my weeder. Voila. And we're gonna put this on here. We're gonna press this down. We're gonna burnish it. If you want me to make another in detail video of this, please let me know. Y'all leave a comment in the comment section below. Because this is not going to be my last video, because I'm going to be doing the one for my car as well. A decal for my car. I'm going to cut around this. You don't want to cut until your lettering. So what you want to do, you just want to cut around it. And when I think I'm ready to take it off there, let's see. Okay. Yeah, that didn't adhere down completely. I think I'm going to just cut down the center right here. And just do it at 2 separate times right here. So, what I'm going to do, yeah. This is for the bottom part. We're going to take this right here to the side. Yeah, let's see how this one came out. Voila, we have that. So we're gonna sit this down right here. I'm gonna clean my glass off with this my little cloth. Put alcohol on my sock cloth. Sorry. You want to make sure the surface is clean, y'all. Okay. Make sure the surface is clean. And now I'm going to go ahead and start with the bottom. Make sure my surface is clean, because I want it to stick. Did everything right. I'm pretty sure I did. Alright, so let's see how this turned out. We'll start with the bottom. Okay, hold on. I'm sorry it's taking so long, y'all. Just want to make sure this thing is perfect. Cause I don't want this to be for nothing, y'all. So, excuse me for the bloopers. In the process of how long it's taking, I just want everything to be perfect. I wouldn't say I'm a perfectionist, but it's just the type of woman I am. Make sure I get all this. Getting all over my hand, y'all. That's slowing me down. Should have had my trash bin right next to me. I don't know what the heck I was thinking. All these dang on bloopers. You have vinyl on a Cricut gut. I mean Cricut vinyl on a wine glass. It says Soap Chronicles. I'm gonna probably do the back side probably later on, but I just wanted to give it a test run, and this is how it turned out on this iridescent glass. Came out beautiful. And on that note, you guys, this is Chelle Donald with Chelle Donald LLC signing out. Peace.